So I have some grilled nuggets, a side kale salad, honey mustard, zesty buffalo ranch, zesty buffalo sauce, and then the garden ranch.
I got fries, a medium fry, and I got an 8-piece nugget. Nuggets. I also got a Coke.
And I got my water. I'm just gonna pour that in there. Is the fries hot?
Now I'm gonna try my nuggets.
You gonna try some sauce?
No.
Girl, do not you do sauce.
Chicken nugget. Chicken nugget.
Kale salad, side salad is so good. Uh-oh. You sure that's mine?
Yeah.
The buffalo is really good in here. How's school going? I see your grades are really good.
Yeah.
Yeah. They are getting really good.
School is hard, but it's good.
Oh, it's good.
My friends are making it better.
Okay.
But
Your favorite subject is still science right now?
science is fun. I'm kind of struggling in mathematics.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I had to take the mathematics test today and on Wednesday. I had to take my reading test, and now tomorrow I'm gonna take my science test. Even though we already
Y'all take tests every day.
Yeah.
They the most test taking 5th graders I ever met. I don't remember.
This is my 5th grade. I
I remember taking tests like she did in 5th grade.
I don't like taking tests.
I literally eat so fast.
Me too. I love the fries. Waffle fries.
The mac and cheese is good too.
I don't like cheese.
You excited for the fair this weekend?
Yes, ma'am. 2 more days.
I'm excited.
Me too.
I can't wait.
Are y'all done? Chick-fil-A has the best ice. The crunch on. Nuggies.
I'm all done. 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10. Actually, 20 out of 10.
Try to get one of your nuggets? Or you don't want to share?
I do want to share.
You don't have to. Oh, you was gonna save it for lunch?
Yeah, ma'am, I'm gonna save it for lunch. Okay.
You don't have the whole week off.
I want the whole. Okay. Well, I already have 2 days off, so might as well not have no school.
Girl, no. Might as well go. Not me, I'm big back.